All right, I'm out here on Queen Street West in Parkdale, but this is a little Tibetan neighborhood of restaurants. I was recommended to go in here. Himalayan kitchen. Try the chicken lollipop. Let's see if they're okay with me streaming in here. All right, I'm inside Himalayan kitchen on Queen Street West in the Parkdale area, and this is a little Tibetan neighborhood as well. So here's the chicken lollipop, $14.99, I think. Looks amazing. Amazing, smells amazing as well. I'm gonna get in there and give it a try. All right, I'm getting ready to give this a try. Should I be getting any rice or anything, or what?
Rice with it? Usually people don't get that.
No, okay.
You could try rice with it.
With the sauce, right? Okay, give me a second. I might order some later. All right. Smells amazing. Do I eat it with my hand?
It's like right over there.
It's cold already. Okay.
This is a random.
Mmm. It's crispy. This is delicious. There's a little kick, not too bad. It's very good. Take your bite. It's so good. Wow, it's so good. The meat is pushed down, I guess, with a little bit of they deep fry it. Wow. Okay, we're gonna try the dumpling. It's gotten busy, nice and hot, the temperature. I can see the steam. Okay, it's good. Okay, not spicy. It's enough seasoning. To me, there's a little kick to it. It's good. Very nice. Okay. Unique taste and unique flavors and seasoning. And I don't, well, of course, I feel like I need rice to go with this. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. It's so good. This is kind of in the Indian flavors. Very good. So good. I'm glad Fab from Maverick Donut suggested I'm going to get these chicken lollipops. It's very good. Take your bite. So come, if you're visiting Toronto, come check it out on Queen Street West in the Parkdale neighborhood. This little Tibetan or little Tibet neighborhood as well. So lot of good restaurants in this neighborhood. So come check out Himalayan Kitchen. Take your bite. Nice and hot. Quite big. Very hot. Okay. Dip it in the sauce.
It's like
Take your bite. It's very good. Very good. Goes with this all this sauce. Very good. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum.